Divas, so today's video is brought to you by no other than Janet Collection. They was nice enough to send your girl another wig for me to review for you ladies. You ladies know I'm all about the budget friendly wig because on this channel we all about saving the coins and not breaking a bank to be divafied. So let's jump into this review. Now the wig that they sent me is from the Essentials collection and her name is Chyna. I did receive her in Moonlight Blue and she does come with a 100% hand-tied lace part. It do have soft Swiss lace. You guys know I love Janet Collection lace, especially they melt me lace because it literally melts. She do come with a stock card as well as some instructions on the back about the lace. Now Chyna do come in a variety of different colors, so if you do not want this color, there are many options to choose from. Now she do come with a hair net over her, some tissue paper inside. Okay, so this is how Chyna is looking straight out of the packaging. She do look like to be like a 12-inch bob. The lace is soft. I'm running my hands through the wig. I'm not receiving any type of shedding. I feel like the color of this wig is not picking up true to color on camera. Hopefully you guys can see that. Now this is the parting of the wig. It do looks like you get about 4 to maybe about 4.5 inches of parting space. Now the knots are very noticeable on this wig. I mean extremely noticeable. You can always go in with some concealer to conceal those knots. So let's get into the construction of the wig cap. Now inside the wig you do have your basic comb right here in the nape area, as well as 2 combs on the side, and she also come with an adjustable straps. There is no comb in the crown area, and the cap is very breathable. And from the inside, this is how the parting space looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off camera and I'll be back. Okay, ladies, so I went and I cut the lace off the wig. Now, this wig do come with some long baby hairs. So if you are a baby hair type of girl, it do come with some baby hairs. Now, I did notice that on the packaging, it did say it comes with a soft elastic wig band, but there's no elastic strap in this wig. I don't know if they're talking about these 2 straps back here, but there is no elastic strap in this wig. Another thing that I noticed is when I went to try and adjust the straps in the back, this comb is literally sewn on, is pretty much sewn on the little hoops, but I can't even adjust the strap by putting the little hooks in. What I'm gonna have to do is just take these 2 clamps and just adjust it like such. Yeah, adjust it like that, and that's how I'm just gonna have to wear the wig. Now once I cut the lace, I do notice that I am getting a little bit of shedding, but the shedding is not too crazy. So we just gonna go ahead and pop baby girl on. Okay, let's fix her like that. Y'all, let me take my glasses off. And mother is, oh, okay. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Them baby hairs are so long, but hold on. Baby girl's a whole vibe. Y'all see her? And I ain't even put no concealer yet in the part. Y'all, look at this color. I hope this camera is picking up this color, because this color is just so bright, vibrant. Okay. So it looks like you guys gonna have to brush her into place because it do that weird flip thing. Okay, queen, so this is the final look of this wig, y'all. When I say I am loving this, I am loving this wig. I'm loving the color. The color is so, so pretty. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, if I knew how to do makeup, this wig would have just set the whole entire look. But I promise y'all, I'm gonna learn how to do some makeup. I promise. Because I can't be over here with the bomb wigs and no makeup, no face, no beat. But you know, natural is always best. Natural is always beautiful. But it's time your girl learn how to, you know, how to do some makeup. I really do love this here. The camera is not picking up the true color. And this is what is aggravating me. But I'm going to try and put like a little snap in so you guys can see the true color. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm going to put a snap somewhere in the video so you guys can see the actual true color of the wig. The one thing I do like about this wig is I'm not getting no humpage. I didn't get no humpage like here, so I didn't have to go in and press it down with a wand curl. This is really just a put on and go type of wig. I wear all my wigs glueless. I don't got time to be fumbling with the glue. You just cut the lace, add some concealer in the part, adjust the wig how you want it on your head, and sis, you're good to go. Now this hair do feel extremely light. The wig is very flowy. I don't feel like it's a lot of hair on my head. I would say this is a summer vibe wig. I really want this wig in every single color because it's just so, ooh, this wig is just so pretty. This is not a wig that you would normally see. And y'all know your girl came through because this wig is only about 25 bucks. 25 bucks for this cute bomb wig. I'm gonna definitely leave some links down below in the description box so you ladies could go ahead and snag y'all Chyna. Get Chyna-fied. Y'all gotta get Chyna-fied because y'all, I'm ready to put on my black dress, slip on some high heels. Y'all, that's the vibe that I'm getting from this wig. I am loving baby girl. Y'all see that? Look at it. Look at it. But if you enjoy videos like this and you want to see more wig reviews that's affordable, let your girl know down below in the comment section. If you ladies already tried some cute affordable wigs that you ladies want me to go ahead and try, drop it down in the comment section so your girl can go ahead and try it out. But if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to smash that like button as well as hit that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video, you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to you ladies later. Peace.